Hey there. I should give a short introduction of myself. I am SM Rafi Adnan. I have finished my master's degree from Shahjalan University of Science and Technology from Bangladesh. I'll be sharing with you all the things related to having your own personal website. So let's get started. Picture this. You are passionate about astronomy, conducting research, and engaging in various activities related to astronomy. Now imagine having a central hub where you can showcase your work, connect with like-minded individuals, and share your knowledge with the world. That's where a personal website comes into play. And here's why it's so important. First and foremost, a personal website allows you to build your identity as an astronomer or astrophysicist. It's like your online identity in the scientific community. You can highlight your research interests, showcase your accomplishments, and demonstrate your expertise in specific areas of astronomy. This helps you stand out and establish yourself as a credible and reputable professional in this field. An easy way for your fellow researchers and future employers to learn more about you and your research. One of the key benefits of having a personal website is the ability to showcase your research. Your personal website acts like a more interactive version of your CV. You can include videos, plots, and background stories about your research. You can create a dedicated section where you can present your research projects, publications, and findings. By sharing your work online, you increase its visibility and accessibility to fellow researchers, potential collaborators, and even the general public. You can be informal in your website compared to a published journal, which will have appeal to a broader audience. Who knows? Your discoveries might inspire others and lead to exciting collaborations and opportunities. Now let's talk about the importance of outreach and education. As scientists, we have a responsibility to communicate our findings and educate the public about the wonders of our universe. Just like this workshop. Your personal website provides an avenue for sharing your knowledge through articles, tutorials, and multimedia content. You can explain complex concepts in a friendly and accessible manner, inspiring a new generation of stargazers. Last but not least, having a personal website can open doors to exciting career opportunities. When potential employers, academic institutions, or research organizations come across your website, they get a glimpse into your expertise, dedication, and passion for astronomy. It sets you apart from other candidates and can lead to collaborations, job offers, or even invitations to conferences. So, when creating a personal website focused on your activities, here are some elements that you can include in your website. So, about me section, of course, dedicate a section to introduce yourself and provide a brief biography highlighting your background, education, research interests, and any notable achievements. This helps visitors understand your expertise and credibility, and of course, add a cool photo of yourself. Research projects. Showcase your research projects and studies. Provide brief descriptions of each project, including objectives, methodologies, and key findings, if you want. Include relevant images, graphs, or diagrams to enhance understandings, and of course, it looks cool. Publications and presentations. List your published papers, conference presentations, and talks. Include links to access or download your work or provide summaries. This demonstrates your contribution to the scientific community. Honors and achievements. Dedicate a section to showcase your honors and awards and notable achievements. These include scholarship, grants, fellowships, prestigious memberships, or your observation time if you have any, or any recognition you have received for your contribution to the scientific community. Highlight these accomplishments helps establish your expertise and credibility, of course, uh, and provide an updated version of your CV, highlighting your academic qualifications, research experience, and publications. Make it easily downloadable in a PDF format for potential collaborators. Blog or articles. Maintain a blog or a section for articles where you can share your thoughts, insights, and discoveries in the field of astronomy. Write about recent research findings. It can be your or other research findings, astronomical phenomena, or explain complex concepts in a simplified manner. Media and outreach. Include a section dedicated to media appearances if you want, interviews or outreach activities that you did. This highlights your effort in in this science communication, public engagement, and your commitment to share what you have learned so far to a wider audience. And of course, contact info. Make it easy for visitors to get in touch with you. If they can get in touch with you, all of this is meaningless, kind of. Provide a contact form or include your professional email address. You can also include links to your social media profiles, or Google Scholar and other GitHub and other pages. And you can include any other relevant informations, like you can do astrophotography and you want to include those images. You surely can do those things. So how can we build such a website? So you can explore website builders like Wix, Squarespace, Hugo, and Weebly. These are pretty famous, and they're easy to use actually. Some of them provide domain and hosting for you, and those provide domain and hosting. You have to pay subscription fee for them. Okay, and if you can write HTML code, that's great. That's the best, I guess. It gives you a lot of flexibility, so it's easier for your like dream website to come into life. You can change the templates. You can find really good templates in HTML5 app. I'll show you that after the slides. And after all, if you work with website builders, or you create your own HTML file, you need domain and hosting. You can ask your school if they can host your web page on the department website, or you can use free hosting sites like github.io and sites google.com. So now that you have created your website, what you can do with that website? You can link it in your email signature, just below your email. You can link it in your CV, of course, and share it in your social media. One thing you have to do is update it periodically, like once in 3 months or 6 months. You have to update it, because the visitors won't get the current situation you're in. So we are going to see some websites. So first of all, we are going to see the websites of the leads of this Intro2Astro. This is the website of Fedai. So as you can see, it's hosted in the domain of Caltech. So it's a single page website. As you can see, he has the photo, and you can see there is a link to his CV. Here he highlights his research, current research, and um, here you can see all the publications that he did. Here you can see the outreach events. Here you can see this event, Intro2Astro. So more or less all the websites do the same thing. So here we'll be seeing the website of Howard Isaacson. Oh, I should have mentioned that this website is actually created with HTML5 up. You can in this website you can see many templates, many templates. For demo I can maybe click on this one, and you can see this website template. You can work on this. You can easily download it from here, and you can work on it for free. So here's the website of Howard Isaacson. So this was designed by Vex, as you can see from here. Here's a brief introduction and his research, and there is a particular section here is blogs that I have mentioned earlier in the slides, that you can write many things like tips and tricks, and which can be relevant to your research, or just they can serve educational purposes for general visitors. Here you can see stargazing tips for amateur astronomers. So yeah, so this is the website of Chetan Chawla. He hosted this on Sites and Google. It is free. So this is another approach. You can divide the whole website into pages. Like this is the home page of his website. You can then go to research, and then his talks, other things. So yeah, and I'll be showing you my website. This is created in Hugo. You can see this. This is link. You can go there and download it and like edit it. So I'm gonna edit some like my website in real time for you guys. So at first time it may seem like it's difficult or something. It's not, let me assure you. So the thing is, you go here in the text editor. You can use any text editors, like I am using VS Code here. So here you can see there are many things, like my as in my title and my name. So if I like edit here something, it will immediately get updated there in the website. So for example, if I change my here you can see that my interests are galactic astronomy, gravitational lensing, and astrostatistics. So like if I want to change my first interest, okay, we are going to change the first interest. So let me edit it. We are going to say remove the first one and write exoplanets. Okay, so if I save this, then it will change here. Let it says exoplanets. So after editing the whole things, like your website, changing these things in the template, you can then host it on the like your domain and hosting sites like GitHub or your department domain. So yeah, thank you so much for listening.